Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I just thought I'd give you all a quick update on basically what's going on with the channel. So as you probably know, I sadly got demonetised on the 1st of January, I think it was. Somewhere around there anyhow. And yeah, basically, if you don't know what that means, it means I can no longer put adverts on my channel. I can no longer earn money through my channel. I can no longer get super chats or out like that on my live streams, basically. So yeah, bit of a shitter, to say the least. Not the best news I had, but yeah. We are still trying to argue with them, trying to get it back, but yeah, to no avail really. YouTube don't tend to want to email back, no matter how many times you email them. They don't seem to want to know, which a bit unhelpful really. If I knew which channel I'm being associated with, which is no longer part of the YPP, YouTube Partnership Programme, then I'll be able to sort the problem out. I'll be able to maybe say, well, okay then, let's get stuff sorted, but yeah, I can't say that sadly. It's just a guessing game at the moment, waiting to see what happens. I mean, as you probably know, Sue's channel recently got demonetised as well, which that's coming up on being monetised again in March. Yeah, so hopefully, fingers crossed, March is when I'll be back, and hopefully that will give me confidence again to get back to the bigger, better videos once again. Show you the fantasy seafront now. Absolute gorgeous day again. Hard to believe we're halfway through February and this is the weather. I can hear violins playing. I don't know where he is. He's somewhere down there. That's another con I forgot to add to my more recent video about the cons. I'll tell you about that now. So what I'm on about is a fake violin player. As funny as it sounds, it's a real thing. It's just some youngish lad, who maybe go down on the Fanti front, Poniente front, or maybe up in the middle of Old Town and just basically stand there playing the violin. But here's where it kind of flips round on the whole thing. You think he's actually playing it when really what you're hearing is a speaker. And I've just dropped something, I think. Or have I? No, I haven't. Anyway, yeah. you actually think it's like real. You think, wow, he's good, so you're giving him money because you think he's talented, you think he's actually like playing the violin, and really it's literally just a big Bluetooth speaker hidden away in the pram, which of course his wife guards, because she don't want anyone finding out on the on the trick. So she just sort of covers it up and makes out it's a baby in there actually. But in reality, all that's in the pram is a massive Bluetooth speaker playing like one tune over and over and over and over again. And people have actually asked to see the baby, and yeah, you get a cupful. Not the nicest thing, is it? Euro 1.12 today. So the wine barrel's probably best place to go for Euro exchange, or the place in the indoor market that's also a sort of good place to go. Well, just so though, be careful with them. Show you that's on at Palace, Benidorm Palace at the moment. I'm not sure if that's a new show or what. Elements, I don't know, I think it's like the season show. They've had like fire, I think they had air as well, I don't know. But yeah, Benidorm Palace is well worth a visit if you can afford it, because I mean it's quite pricey. Anyway, if you are thinking about coming over lately or soon, a video to check out, one that could help a lot, of course, is my most recent vid, which is out soon, discussing about like the cons in Benidorm and how to stay safe. But another video done by another YouTuber, my father, Mike. Go check out one of his latest, which discusses transfers and how you can actually get into Benidorm from Alicante Airport. And go check out his other one he's also done, which discusses about prices here in Benidorm and whether Benidorm's still as cheap as it once was. I remember when he filmed all that video, so yeah, it's a good video, it is helpful. So yeah, if you want anything filmed as well, comment down below, like whether it's a hotel, apartments, bars, restaurants, or you're just wanting like a video, like I've had a few people request, they maybe come on and be like, well, I'm staying at such and such hotel, can you do a walk from there down to like Levante Beach or down to the Strip or something like that? And yeah, I'll do it. And Also, stay tuned to the channel because there's going to be some awesome stuff coming. Of course, like Paddy's Day coming up, the fellas coming up, and I am planning on more ghost hunts. Yeah, there are some ghost hunts planned for the future, guys. Hopefully returning back to the old castle. Hopefully returning back to the 19th century cemetery. Hopefully as well I'll try get some more done at the building Plaza Outdoors, because that's not changing now. They are on about not already starting the what to call it, reurbanisation of it. Like they're gonna change it all. So yeah, I think like getting in there before they do sort of ruin its historical site, like ruin the culture it once had, gonna be a good idea. Sadly, I can't actually get inside the building itself because at the moment I think they are using it as storage for Benidorm Council, which, yeah, not the best of things to use in a historical place for, but at least it ain't been abandoned. Like, at least it hasn't gone abandoned. Think also I might try get up by some of the nightclubs up the back of Benidorm as well. Like, do some ghost hunts around there, which will be quite interesting. So yeah, lots more stuff coming to the channel, so it should be fun. Adios.